And today we're gonna using this end. So much fun. Let's see how it come out. And I can't wait to share with all of you. I'm gonna load it my brush. My brush is really nice and clean. I clean this really well after I done each design. So I'm gonna load my brush, saturate my brush with the painting gel. And I am literally gonna go and keep it flat and go give it a swipe. You don't need a whole lot. Just saturate your brush. And it creates really nice like design petals for you. If you feel you want to add it back more, you can. I keep my brush flat. You don't want to get load too much. Keep it flat. And I'm going to using on the other side. So excited. And you see that how easy, and like I just using keep it flat and just give it a swipe. You can repeat the same. It's however how many flowers you want. It really is up to you. And you can see it's like if you want to mix two colors, you can. I'm gonna pop this guys into the lamp, and then you can layer them if you want to. I don't want to make it too busy, so I'm gonna pop this guys